Every year, I watch talented athletes get passed over. Not because they couldn't play, not because they weren't good enough, because their families thought talent was the whole story. And it's not. Coaches are running a checklist in their head every time they evaluate a recruit, and most families have no idea what's on it. So today, I'm pulling back the curtain. 5 things that coaches are actually looking for straight from someone who's been on that side of the table for 31 years. But before we get into this, I want to make sure you have the right tools in your hands. I put together a free resource called the College Recruiting Jumpstart Pack. It's 4 guides that'll walk you through the most costly mistakes families make during the process, what to do when coaches go quiet, and a 7-day plan to start building real momentum. It's free. I'll link it below. Grab it because everything we talk about today connects back to it. Let's start with the obvious one because it's still the most important. You have to be able to play your sport at the level you're targeting. I don't care how good your communication strategy is. I don't care how polished your highlight video is or how many coaches you've emailed. If you step onto a court or field and you can't play, none of the rest of this matters. This is the floor, not the ceiling. It's the floor. Everything else we talk about today builds on top of this. You have to be able to play. And here's something most families miss. Coaches aren't just scanning for good athletes. Good athletes are almost everywhere. What coaches are really hunting for is a skill that stands out, something specific they can point to and say, that's exactly what we need. Maybe you're an excellent 3-point shooter. Maybe you're a defensive stopper who locks down the other team's best player. Maybe you're a power hitter or middle infielder with elite range. Whatever your sport is, ask yourself, what is the one thing my athlete does better than most anyone else on the field? If you're not sure how to identify that skill or how to package it so college coaches notice it immediately, that's exactly what I walk through in the Athletic Recruiting Roadmap. It's the foundation book of everything we teach. I'll link it below if you want to check it out or go a little bit deeper. It's a great resource. Now let's talk academics, and I want to be specific here. If you're targeting Division I at the power conference level, programs sometimes have more flexibility. They have the resources to make those exceptions. But in Division II and III, those programs generally don't have that flexibility. Your GPA, your core courses, your test scores, if your target schools require them, this is often one of the very first things a college coach checks, sometimes before they even watch your film. Why? Because a strong academic profile tells a college coach you're going to stay eligible. You can handle the workload and actually succeed once you're on campus. A great athlete who can't stay eligible is a problem and is not a solution. Here's a hard truth. Coaches cannot find everybody. Even if your athlete can play, has a standout skill, and has the academic profile to match, none of it matters if the coach doesn't know your athlete exists. You have to reach out first. And this is the part that trips up most families. You have to follow up and follow up consistently. Most families send one email and then they wait for a response that never comes. The athlete who actually gets on a coach's radar, they're the ones who stay visible. A short update here, a new highlight clip there, a quick note after a game. It's not about being pushy. It's about staying present. The last one, and this ties directly back to number 2. You don't have to be the most talented player in the gym, but you do have to fill a role that the team actually needs. Coaches aren't trying to assemble 5 all-stars. They're trying to build a team that works together and fills specific gaps on their roster. If your skill set matches a need they have right now, you become valuable, even if you're not the most hyped name on the list. This is also why fit matters so much. The same athlete might be a perfect fit for one program and a poor fit for another, just simply based on what each roster needs. So let's bring this all together. Can you play at the level you're targeting? Do you have a skill that stands out? Is your academic profile where it needs to be? Are you communicating and following up consistently? And can you fill a role that a roster actually needs? That's the checklist. That's what coaches are really looking for. If you want help figuring out exactly where your athlete stands on each of these and a plan to close the gaps, guys, download my free College Recruiting Jumpstart Pack. Again, I'll link it below. It's free. Grab it now before we end this video. Again, I'm Coach Keith Mondillo. Let's get your athlete on a coach's radar. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.